Hey, what's up, guys? We're going to change the oil today in Smurf, and this is my second oil change, right? So first oil change was a little different. I don't know if I have the plug in here. Let's see if we do. But on these newer Fords, it comes with a little yellow drain plug. Anyone who owns one, I'm sure y'all know about it. It's a pain in the butt. So I'll show you what it is. That's it right there. So it's a plastic drain plug, goes into the plastic pan, pretty much just goes in and spins. When you take it out, it's got these two ears on it. This one used to have a second ear. I broke it. So let me tell you why I broke it. I went to Texas during this road trip. I changed the oil in Smurf before I headed out. I didn't really need to change the oil, but the trip was about 6,000 miles, so I just wanted to change it before I went on the trip. So I was kind of in a rush, trying to get everything together, change the oil, get the truck ready. I put about half a quart too much of oil in the truck. For regular driving, not really beating on the truck, I didn't think it was a big deal. So I said, okay, let me just get on the road, go on about my business. When I get down to Texas, where I was going to be racing in the Coyote Shootout, I'll figure out how to pull half a quart back out of it. So I got down there, and I really didn't want to mess with this, right, because it's a pain in the butt. It's not like you could spin it halfway out like a regular drain plug and let some oil slowly leak out. It's all or nothing with this thing. So when it comes out, oil goes everywhere. And then so I said, okay, let me figure this out. I ran to Walmart, and on a jet ski there is no drain plug. On a jet ski we change oil with a siphon. We siphon the oil out through the dipstick and pump it into a jug. So I said, you know what, let me buy a siphon. I'll stick it down the dipstick hole. I'll pump about half a quart out. Of course, this would not fit in the dipstick hole. So I was forced to pull the plug out. When I pulled the plug out, I broke the ear, right? So I said, oh, that's bad. Luckily, I did buy an extra one of these. I remembered it was in the glove box. So I grabbed that, pulled this out real quick, shoved the other one in it as fast as I could. That's how I got the half a quart out. So we're not going to be dealing with that anymore. So a lot of people said this plug here is a waste of money, it's overpriced, which granted I do think it is overpriced, but it's a pretty neat design. So we're going to stick this in it today. We're not going to be dealing with that yellow plug anymore, and this is what we got. So this is the Ronin oil plug. And pretty much we're going to stick this whole thing in there, boom, and then when we go to change oil, we'll pull this out. It's a little billet plug there, goes into the end of that, and then you spin this in, and if you could spin this in halfway and just let it leak slowly out, so it would have worked great for what I was trying to do. So we're going to go ahead and change the oil today in Smurf. And if we finish in time, we're going to head down to Sumer Duck, do some 8th mile drag racing. If not, then we'll just hang out around the house, no big deal. So
and I'm just going to let this plug fall right in there. Whoop. I kind of messed the camera up, sorry. So we'll let it drain, and then we'll put the new plug in there. We'll turn this out. You'll turn this in. The further you turn that in, the faster the oil will start coming out. It's spring loaded. So we're going to throw some oil in it. There you go. Thanks for watching.